Welcome to the guide on how to use your brand new Euphree folding lock. To change the combination of your lock, set it to the currently set combination. If the lock is brand new, this will be 0, 0, 0, 0. First, pull out the orange tab and turn it clockwise. From there, hold down the orange tab. Keep it held as you set it to your new combination. Once it's set to your desired combination, release the tab and twist it counterclockwise to its original position. With the correct combination entered, simply pull on the orange tab to release the links from the lock. Your Euphree folding lock can be mounted in one of two ways: directly to the frame or to the down tube below your seat. To mount it to the frame, first unscrew the two bolts located above the Euphree logo of your bike. The bolts might be a bit difficult to unscrew during the first few turns, but should become easier as you continue. Your lock mount has two spots for the bolts. Feed the bolts through and get them started with your fingers. Be careful not to cross-thread the bolts as it may strip them. Once they're finger tight, use your handy Allen wrench to finish the job. Once the bolts are tight enough, the lock mount shouldn't move or wiggle. Insert the lock and strap it down. To mount it to the down tube, you'll need the additional plastic mounting strap that came with your lock. Slip it through the space found on the back of the lock mount. Insert the two tails through the two holes on the other side of the strap, and insert the spiral lock bolts into the holes as well. Once it's in position on the down tube, just use your Allen wrench to slowly screw the lock bolts into place. This will take a while to get them completely tight, so take your time. It's okay if the plastic strap wiggles slightly, but it should remain firmly in place as you ride. Insert the lock and strap it down. In order to keep your bike safe from any would-be thieves, be sure to slip the links of the lock through the frame of the bike, such as behind the down tube or through the triangular space of the frame. Don't insert it solely through one of the wheels. Now you're ready to ride with your Euphree folding lock. Thanks for watching.